Activity 1.4 is called Coding with Conditions, and you will probably see a similarity between Activity 1.2, Amazing Algorithms, and this activity here. The one big exception is this one contains conditions, and I'll walk you through what the conditions look like. This is the same essential question: what does effective teamwork look like? And at this point, you should have already collaborated a little bit with somebody else on making different activities, or working on the first app together possibly, or getting some ideas from somebody. Materials you're going to need: the map printout. It's the exact same map that you've used for Activity 1.2. Bus and traffic sign cutouts. This time they're adding in the traffic sign cutouts in addition to the bus. You don't have to worry about the tape. The tape is something we don't need to do in order to fully understand how this activity works. Flowchart, infographic. It's a PDF. If you're really organized and like to download things and then put them in a Google Drive folder, you would just download it. And once it's in your downloads, then you would just drag the file over to your Google Drive. At that point, then you can put it into a folder that you've created for this particular class. Conditional statements, and the first couple words that you need to make sure you understand are conditional statements. It's a command that performs different actions depending on whether a condition is true or if it is false. And Boolean logic is a form of mathematics in which an expression is reduced to either true or false. Algorithms with conditional logic. And this is where you're going to start to think about yes, no types of questions. This video does a wonderful job of walking you through how you could plan a party with different conditions. If a condition arises, for instance, it could be the weather, it could be the time, it could be a lot of different situations, but you need to really start to think about what is a condition and how does that work with an algorithm. Algorithms that contain conditions, also referred to as conditional algorithms. This is where you're going to start to think about how a condition works. Now, you've already written down most of this chart before. The one exception is the decision, which is the rhombus. It's a yes, no, true, false type of a question. Explore this example of a conditional algorithm that with instructions for traveling to school. So this is your beginning point, wherever you live. The question is it raining? This is a condition. If it's not raining, then you're going to walk to school, and then you could put more events in here, but it's just walk to school, and your end point is school. You start off getting ready for school. The question you're asking yourself is it raining? If the answer is yes for this particular day, you would ride the bus or get a ride, or you would do something besides walking, and then you get to school. So the big thing here is this condition right here. You're going to answer these questions right here in your text entry box. Just click, type away. Here's a chance for you to reflect on learning it's based off of what you just learned in your PLTW Gateway notebook. Choose an everyday task. You need to write a decision based on a yes/no question. It could be getting dressed for school. It could be, are my clothes clean? Is my outfit laid out? Making a snack. Do we have a specific snack that you enjoy? If the answer is yes, then you would probably eat that snack. If the answer is no, you'd have to find a different snack. Field trip navigation. Now please take the time to read through these directions here. This is the same map. It's not the same activity though. So this time when you say move forward times 4, turn left, move forward times 2, you're then going to be stopped right here with a decision. This is where you say, can I turn left? And part of it would say yes. If this sign were not here, I would say yes. I'm going to turn left, move forward 2, and go this way. I'm going to put no and go turn right, and I'm going to go up this way. I'm going to move forward. Is there a stop sign? That is my decision. That is the rhombus. If the stop sign is there, then I'm going to say yes. And then right here it's going to say wait 5 seconds. So you're going to use very similar commands. Wait 5 seconds is the difference. And you need to make sure you include questions. Can I turn left? Or left turn question mark, right turn question mark. So you're essentially going to go through and it's going to say yes. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to put no at this question here. I'm going to go up this way. I can go this way and this way around. So you're going to have a pretty big map that you're going to create. You don't have to worry about the part that says tape anything down. We don't have to tape it. I just really want you to focus on this right here. Understand how the conditions work. Understand how the stop signs work and how the different street signs work as well. Universal test, don't worry about placing tape. The purpose of this would be is saying, can I turn left? If the answer is yes, you just turn left. Can I turn right? And the answer is yes, then you turn right. You don't have to take the time to do that universal test. Just read through it quickly. It's a pretty quick deal to do. Conclusion question, this is in Power School Learning. So that is Activity 1.4. Thanks.